How to replace the front brake pads in the 2011 to 2018 Dodge Charger. I am Stephen Wimberley and this is Working with Wimberley. This is a 2015 Dodge Charger SE all-wheel drive with a 3.6 liter V6. The Charger uses different brakes depending on the model, so yours may not be exactly like this, but hopefully this video will still help. The first step is to loosen the two bolts in the caliper with the 13mm socket and a breaker bar. Now when I do this, the pin spins on the inside. You should be able to use a wrench to hold this. I don't have the proper size, so I'm just going to use a pair of pliers. Now that I have the bolt loose, I can use my socket and ratchet to remove it the rest of the way. And just repeat the process at the bottom. I've already broken it loose with the breaker bar. Now I'm going to use my socket and ratchet to take it off the rest of the way. Pry on the caliper to get it loose. It comes out like that. So I want to take the brake caliper and set it aside on the control arm. And now we can remove the brake pads. And I'm going to use the old inside brake pad with the C-clamp to push the piston back into the caliper. Okay, we have the pistons pushed back into the caliper. Now we'll have room for our new brake pads. So with the pistons pushed back into the calipers, I'm going to put a little grease on the back of the brake pads and get them in position before we put our caliper back on. The next step is to thread the bolts in by hand. Make sure to pump the brakes before driving, and this job is done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.